This is a typical stoichiometry problem that we have a given here, 60 grams of water, and what we're trying to find is how many grams of oxygen, and remember that's O2 you're trying to find. So you start with the given, you write your 60 grams of water, and a lot of students are tempted to do some sort of grams of water to grams of oxygen ratio. Well, we don't have that. There are only two options that you have. Those options are molar mass, which is grams and moles of the same substance, and then a mole ratio. And that comes from the coefficients in the reaction. First, I need to get to moles of water. So I'm going to use 1 mole here, and that's 18O2. That's the molar mass of water. And I had to get to moles of water is so that I can use my mole ratio, because I want to trade in moles of water for moles of the thing that I want. If you're going to go from one substance to another, then you have to use a mole ratio. And I'm going to get the coefficients from the reaction. There's a 1 in front of oxygen, a 2 in front of that water. Now, all I need to do is get to grams of oxygen. For that, we'll need the molar mass of oxygen, which is 32. Remember, that's diatomic, so 2 of those. All right, so the only unit left here is going to be grams of oxygen. However, you're going to multiply by all the numbers on the top and then divide by the numbers on the bottom, and it looks like we'll round that to 3 sig figs.